Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use AI outline and AI questions and answers in MaxInk on TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first of all, let's enable the MaxInk reading mode by switching the toggle we have on the right side, selecting MaxInk mode and tapping enter. Now let's go to our bookshelf and let's select any book we have right here. If you don't have any books, you can go to the Bookstore and select sample books in this menu. Now, in order to use AI outline, you simply have to tap on your screen and then go to content in the bottom left corner. And now instead of content, we can switch to AI outline, agree to DCL Services, and then we will also have to sign in to our TCL account. So select your country or region from the list. Save. And now let's sign in using Google account, for example. Okay. And now in AI outline, we can see the compressed chapters of the book, so that we can quickly get to know with the contents of each chapter. And if you want to use AI questions and answers, you can select this option right here and then ask questions about part of the books, or you can use this feature directly, which I think is more useful. So you can simply select part of the text and then select AI questions and answers to have AI explain this part to you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.